Hello students, last video we had done how the molecular orbitals are formed. Now we'll talk about energies of different molecular orbitals. बहुत important है, ध्यान से सुनिएगा, इस पे MCQs आते हैं. Even for competitive exams it is very important. Okay. See, these are atomic orbitals because when two atoms combine, molecular orbital is formed. Okay. What is configuration for atomic orbital या energies of different atomic orbital? Lowest energy orbital होता है 1s, दूसरे एटम का भी होगा 1s. उसके बाद कौन से ऑर्बिटल की एनर्जी होती है 2s. आफ्टर दैट 2px, 2py, 2pz. These are different atomic orbitals. For second atom also we have 2px, 2py and 2pz. We studied that when two atoms combine, molecule is formed. मतलब when two atomic orbitals combine, molecular orbitals are formed. फिर हमने पढ़ा था atomic orbital of same energy, same symmetry will combine. So 1s orbital will combine with 1s only. So by combination of 1s and 1s, two molecular orbital form, bonding and anti-bonding. एक बनेगा सिग्मा 1s bonding, एक बनेगा सिग्मा स्टार 1s anti-bonding. bonding ની એનર્જી ઓછી હોય એટલે નીચે બનાવ્યું, anti-bonding ની એનર્જી વધારે હોય એટલે ઉપર. These all are molecular orbital. So when 1s 1s combine, two molecular orbital form, sigma 1s, sigma star 1s. Second diagram, 2s 2s atomic orbital of two atoms combine. Again two molecular orbital form and that will be sigma. It will be sigma 2s molecular orbital, sigma star 2s anti-bonding molecular orbital. Two atomic orbital combine, two molecular orbital form, one is bonding, other one is anti-bonding. Third, when 2pz and 2pz combine, we had seen they are on the axis, their electron density is more, pz. So when 2pz overlap, again we have sigma 2pz bonding, sigma star 2pz anti-bonding. So two molecular orbitals are there, sigma 2pz and sigma star 2pz. इतने सारों के तो कॉम्बिनेशन से सिग्मा बनता है. पाई किससे बनता है? pi 2px and pi 2px when combined, pi bonding anti bonding molecular orbital form. इन दोनों के कॉम्बिनेशन से pi बनेगा pi 2px bonding, pi star 2px anti bonding. And when py combine, they also form anti bonding 2py, pi bonding 2py, pi. So when atomic orbitals of same energy, same symmetry combining, molecular orbitals are formed. Number of atomic orbitals that are combined equal to the number of molecular orbitals formed. Half is bonding, half is anti-bonding. Bonding of lower energy, anti-bonding is of higher energy. Now how to arrange, what is the energy of these many molecular orbitals? We know about energies of atomic orbital according to Aufbau principle. Least energy orbital कई हो तो 1s. After that 2s. After that 2px, 2py, 2pz है same. હતો ને આ ત્રણેયનું same હોય according to Hund's rule. 2py, 2pz. After this 3s, then 3p. This is the energy of different atomic orbital according to Aufbau principle. What are the energies of molecular orbitals? આટલા બધા molecular orbital છે. What are their relative energies? Which is of lower energy, which is of higher energy? According to atomic orbitals energy, only molecular orbital energies are there. How? See. First 1s is lowest energy. 1s form two molecular orbital, bonding anti-bonding. Which is least of energy? Bonding. So sigma 1s is of lowest energy. After that it is sigma star 1s. Clear? For least energy orbital, sigma 1s, એના પછી સિગ્મા સ્ટાર 1s. ક્લિયર? એટમમાં કયું આવે 1s પછી? 2s. 2s ના કોમ્બિનેશન થી બી બે બને છે, એક બોન્ડિંગ એક એન્ટી બોન્ડિંગ. બોન્ડિંગ ની એનર્જી ઓછી, એન્ટી બોન્ડિંગ ની વધારે. તો આના પછી કોણ આવશે? સિગ્મા 2s सिग्मा स्टार 2s. क्लियर? उसके बाद कौन सा ऑर्बिटल है? 2p. इन तीनों की एनर्जी सेम है, 2px 2py and 2pz. 2px 2py 2pz have same energy. These three have same energy. 6 total molecular orbital form. 2p वाला 6 molecular orbital છે. What are their respective energies of these orbitals? First आएगा इसमें depending upon the type of molecule, two energies are there, two energy levels are there. I'll show you after this what is the energy sequence for different molecular orbitals. I'll tell you. This is experimental based actually, but sequence we have to remember for writing electronic configuration. Homonuclear diatomic molecule, if we talk about, for second period, third period element, hydrogen, after that helium, lithium, beryllium diatomic molecule, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Till hydrogen to nitrogen, what is the energy of different molecular orbitals? From hydrogen to nitrogen, least energy is sigma 1s, after that sigma star 1s, then it is sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. After that nitrogen we are talking about, it's pi 2px, pi 2py. After that sigma 2pz. After sigma 2pz, pi star 2px, pi star 2py, because they have same energy. And at last highest energy, anti-bonding 2pz orbital. This is the energies of different molecular orbital for the molecules H2 till N2. In oxygen, fluorine and neon, there is one difference. This sigma 2pz will come first and then this pi 2px, pi 2py. Why it is so? Because of the electronic configuration. Nitrogen half filled होता है, उनमें फिर orbitals में repulsion होता है, इसलिए वो दूर चले जाते हैं. That is beyond the scope of this book. We can remember, we have to remember the energy sequence, energies of different molecular orbital for O2, F2 and Ne2. So what is for O2, F2 and Ne2? For O2, F2, Ne2 diatomic molecule, the sequence is like this: sigma 1s, after that sigma star 1s, then it is sigma 2s, after that sigma star 2s, then it is sigma 2pz, after that pi 2px, pi 2py. After pi 2px, pi 2py, it would be pi star 2px and pi star 2py, and highest energies of sigma star 2pz. So there is just one difference. See, આમાં difference છે બસ, બાકી ક્યાંય difference નથી. નાઇટ્રોજન સુધીમાં પાઈ પહેલા આવે અને ઓક્સિજન, ફ્લોરિન અને નિયોનમાં સિગ્મા 2pz પહેલા આવે, પછી pi 2px અને pi 2py. These are energies of different molecular orbitals. Clear? Energy sequence we have to remember. Then only we can write electronic configuration. And if we write electronic configuration, then only we come to know about their bond order, magnetic properties, so many things. So this energy sequence is important and that you have to remember. Clear? Now an important term we will study. bond order and its characteristics. Bond order and its characteristics. क्या होता है bond order? आगे में हमने पढ़ा था. It is the number of covalent bond present in a molecule. How to calculate bond order? Bond order of a diatomic molecule is half number of electron in bonding molecular orbital, number of electron in anti-bonding molecular orbital. What is the bond order? It is half of difference of bonding electrons and anti-bonding electrons. Anti-bonding electrons in diatomic molecule. Diatomic molecule. Clear? NB क्या है? Number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital. Na क्या है? Number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital. Half of that is called bond order. Suppose NB is more than Na. Total bonding electrons are more than anti-bonding electrons. Then bond order will be greater than 0. Positive. Bond order greater than 0, then molecule is stable. Molecule will be stable. In case if NB and Na are same, number of electron in bonding and anti-bonding same, then what will happen? Bond order will be 0. If bond order 0, then molecule does not exist. Molecule does not exist. આમ bond order કોઈ દી negative નથી હોતું, but molecule bond order જો negative આવે નહીં. It's not possible only. But if it comes, then means molecule does not exist only. Okay, otherwise bond order can be 0 or it can be positive. Clear? Next important point we can draw from this bond order is bond order is directly related to bond dissociation enthalpy. How they are related? So bond order is directly proportional to bond dissociation enthalpy. Bond dissociation enthalpy. More the bond order, more will be the bond dissociation enthalpy. Less the bond order, less will be the bond dissociation enthalpy. Suppose कोई molecule है जिसका bond order ज़्यादा है, तो उसके bond को तोड़ने के लिए ज़्यादा energy की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. तो bond order अगर पता हो तो हम बता सकते हैं कि whether this has more dissociation enthalpy or less. Next information we can have from bond order is it is inversely related to the bond length. The molecule which is having more bond order, their bond length are less. Less bond order, the bond length is more. Bond order also directly proportional to stability of the molecule. Directly related to the stability. जितना ज़्यादा bond order होगा, उतना molecule ज़्यादा stable. Less bond order means molecule unstable. Very important point. If any unpaired electron is there in a molecule, unpaired electron in a molecule, if it is present, then the molecule will be paramagnetic. Paramagnetic मतलब होता है when that molecule captain external magnetic field, it will be attracted by the field. So if any unpaired electron is there in a molecule, while writing electronic configuration, it will find any unpaired electron in molecule, even one or more, whatever be, then molecule is paramagnetic. Paramagnetic. And if all the electrons are paired, all electron paired, then it is diamagnetic. Just remember it. When we will write electronic configurations for different molecules, at that time we will, I'll show you how the molecule is paramagnetic and diamagnetic. These are few informations we can have regarding bond order. What is bond order? Half the number of electron in bonding as well as anti-bonding molecular orbital. Clear bachcho? Next topic we will talk about molecular orbital diagram, how to write electronic configuration, how to calculate bond order for different diatomic molecules. Okay.